This is how the flow will be there. Introduction, then top three reasons of couples failure, supplemented by case study from my experience. Then we will go to Q&A experience. If Vinji is okay, the flow is okay. Okay, I'll go ahead. So these are the three reasons. Away from the roots. All the young people are away from the roots. They carry an emotional baggage. They have a baggage of regrets, pain, hatred. They carry the baggage, and that they are surrounded with very poor mental models. These are the three basic traps which the youth, I would say mostly the internet generation. First problem is they are away from the parents. Every youth, if you take now, they are away from the parents. A person born in Noida is working in Kerala. A person born in Chennai is working in Assam. Or a person born in Hyderabad is working in UK. Nowadays, these local borders are gone because of these available job opportunities. As a result, they are moved away from their parents, their culture, their roots. That is a plus point economically, but a minus point as far as the values of the life is concerned. I would classify this to make it very simple. I will classify the if you take in any organization, कौन से भी अगर आप फैक्ट्री में जाएंगे तो तीन टाइप के लोग मिलेंगे. एक 50 plus 60 का मिलेगा, एक 50s में मिलेगा mid career. There's a guy who's a youngster who has just entered the company structure. Okay, so I would convert them into radio generation, TV generation, and mobile generation. These are the three type of people who have to exist together. Okay? So you know who's the radio generation? Raj Kapoor ji. Rishi Kapoor ji, TV generation, mobile generation, Ranbir Kapoor. And if you look at the values of these people, are entirely different. What was the Raj Kapoor's value or a person of radio generation? Loyalty. If you look into old movies, there will be a Buzurg telling me, say, my father was working with my Naukar's father. Yeah. My grandfather working for his grandfather. Yani ye ek sampati hai where we respect our Naukar, we respect our people. So 3 generations of Malik and 3 generations of Naukars. This was a loyalty for them. And when it came to next generation, Rishi Kapoor generation, or you called the TV generation, they were not worried about loyalty. They only want a stable growth. 15 years, 20 years, can I make income? Can I go to some place, make an income stable my family? Can I keep my family stability? And now the third generation is mobile generation. They are ready to move anywhere. They want fast track growth. They want faster than their time. They want result quickly. They want to earn money quickly. They want to retire. They want to enjoy a lot. I'm not telling that it is wrong or right. These are the values. Okay. So what is the solution for one generation may not fit for the solution for the next generation. So let me tell you a case. When I was in Hyderabad about 10 years before, I had a case of some couples, particularly in that they were living in a group. And these group activities were sponsored by the company. Okay. And they have to do that, and they have to take some assignments, and they have to sponsor it. So that was the nature of work. Okay. Forget about a graduate, technical, whatever it is. They were all star superstars. Post-graduation, top university. But the work they were doing is only for the sake of money. They have to live in a group, take the shots and do it. You understood what actually I'm telling. So what actually happened? They were living together. They were enjoying. Everything was sponsored. Saturday, Sunday, that was sponsored by the company. They were enjoying it. They were taking the shots of it and they were praising it. Good assignment, good money. But they never told to the parents. But what actually happened is one story is one couple, they want to get married. One boy and one girl, they want to get married. They got married. When they got married, then after they were away from that group, then after 4 or 5 years, this guy get the itch of we want to go and join back the group. Then the lady told, no, I cannot do that. I have become a mother. I have a responsibility of raising a child. I will not do that. So he was insisting, nothing doing. Even though we are married, we can go back. Okay. How I solved it, that is the other part of the story of the syllabus. So that this case came to me when they were fighting together. They come at a particular point where helping them becomes very difficult. Very irreversible. Okay. So that is where they become a nuclear family. Okay. So you look, what is that alarm signal? They come at a particular point where they cannot help. Irreversible correction, a breakdown, almost everything is over. Now either they have to be together or they will get separated. So assume that there is a joint family. Their mother was there, Chachaji was there, Bhavi was there. So what actually happens, you can put yourself in that character in that movie and you can see this family is a safety wall. It is not an alarm wall, it is a safety wall. Okay. Micro correction. Bhabhi will ask, why you bloody feel you're coming late? Okay. Chacha ji was, kya ho raha? Why you're coming late? I will come and talk to the officer why he is coming late. You are months and together, you are not there. Okay. Why you are running behind the girl? Why you are leaving the girl? So there is a small correction from the joint family. Papa ho, chacha ho, uncle ho, aunt ho, babi ho. They will go to extra fighting also. Killing each other because they want to family values to be stable. Either the many corrections are there that is possible at the level correct time. Okay. A stitch at a time makes a saves nine. There is a saying. Okay. So this many corrections or micro corrections are nothing but prevents our culture. That is not there. यहाँ पे कब सोता है, कब उठता है, कब जागता है, कहाँ जाता है. Nobody is there to question them. They have chosen their life. So this is what is missing. See, I am an engineer basically. We used to make in BHEL. I was working for BHEL. So we used to make boilers. Boiler, is a big pressure cooker vessel, and we used to install one safety valve at 100 units. Then before that safety valve goes, उससे पहले एक अलार्म होता था, 80 का एक अलार्म होता था, 50 का एक होता था, 30 का. That means it is a first bell, second bell, third bell. So now what is happening in their life, in the nuclear family, there is only a final bell. There is no first bell, second bell. By the time they realize bell is there, the life is out. Either the lady is gone, husband is gone, or they separate, they become single mothers. So this is what is missing in that one. That means a mother is missing, a father is missing. They badly need parents. They badly need parents. So the solution to this one is very simple. You have to make your own mentor. You have to find your own papa, your own uncle, your own aunt, your own chachaji in your neighboring surrounding, where you can share certain things, where you can learn certain things, where you get corrected, where there is an objection. This is only a sort of a unconditional thing. I'm not telling about a mentor whom you pay and all those things. In your surrounding, do you have any respectable couple whom you can accept as your uncle or father or whoever it is? So kindly select such mentors and develop relationship with that family and keep on in touch with me. That will save you a lot. Somebody will talk for the girl, somebody will talk for the boy. And sometimes introspection, retrospection. As a result, what actually happens is yes, you get corrected. Okay. So this is one solution which badly needs. See, so what I'm doing is I'm doing mentoring. Of course, I do it for money. Mentoring is nothing but converting a seed into a plant into a tree. It is not hunting model, it is a farmer's model. Okay? Like a mother takes care of them. So I am a mother to my clients, mother to my mentees. So the solution one is you have to identify your social mentors in your relationship, or you have to identify your personal mentors. Because mentors are people who talk from their experience, they don't talk theory. Okay? This is the first problem which I have seen. And I'm